In this video, we'll be showing you how to install the cast iron grates on a 60 inches gas ranges. There are 5 cast iron grates, but they are not all identical. There are 3 identical grates and 2 different looking grates that will have a small guide point on the side of the grates. These gates with the guide points will be the first to be installed. Place the first grate in the middle of the enamel cooktop next to the divider, with the guide point on the left side. Place the second grate next to the first one, with the guide point on the left side. You are now ready to install the other 3 identical grates. When placing your grates, make sure it snubs properly into its holding hub. You can also make small leveling adjustments by turning the screw located just under the grate. The installation of the grates is now complete.